Do you want to go in? Okay. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda, and I'm kind of new here. So I thought I'd go over and kind of, braces. Go over that and tell you about my experience. Well, first of all, being 38 years old, I am well past the teens, preteens that orthodontists usually see. Well, I'm also going to have my coffee. And I just got back from the gym, so sorry I look like crud, but hey, this works, right? And so I got my handy dandy notebook and I wrote down everything. So what to expect is, well, first thing, it's a new experience, guys. It's big, it's scary, it's not that big of a deal. So my advice to you, number one, take a deep breath. And remember, 9-year-olds do this all the time, preteens, younger kids. It's okay. Take an ibuprofen about a half an hour before you go. Aleve, whatever your headache medication of choice is. I chose Aleve because that's what I had in the house. And about a half an hour, well, Aleve you can probably take an hour before, but I was going to the gym as well. I had a little dog. And decided, hey, that Aleve lasts for 12 hours. All as well. Then I had to go in and do a little paperwork, and I was nervous, so I make a lot of jokes. And I said, and when they were like, well, so you should probably have soft foods, you should probably do that. And I said, so do you think this weekend margaritas are probably the best thing for dinner? And one of the ladies who works there, who happened to be friends with our neighbor, goes, oh yeah. And because I needed someone else to be silly with me for a second, it really did help. The next thing is they took me into their little area, and I think some doctors do indentations or whatever. I don't know, because I don't go to those doctors. My doctor took me back and did, they had me put my mouth on this plastic dealie, and then they took a scan around. And that was no big deal. Then they took some pictures, and since I'm photogenic, I offered to pose, and they said, no, we're good. Yeah, hey, you can make a joke about things, right? And since I'm having my coffee out here, excuse me. So the next thing they did is they cleaned my teeth. Kind of like when you go to the dentist, they don't go in with the little pick and deal, pick and test your gums and all that. But they go in with, like, it looked like a silicone polisher deal. You want to go in with your teeth brushed and cleaned and all that fun stuff, because, you don't want to have morning breath at the dentist, do you? Even an orthodontist, that'd be gross. So they do that, and then they apply glue. And this part is, I used my experience with makeup stuff because that's what I got. And so the glue, they have to let dry a little bit. Kind of like when you have lashes. You put the glue on the lashes, and then you let it dry about 15-20 seconds, and then you apply to your eyeball, right? Well, not your eyeball, but your, excuse me. Before I was so rudely interrupted by my barky boy. What I was saying is, so they apply the glue to your teeth, and they have to kind of let it get sticky, kind of like lashes. When you put on lashes, fake lashes, you have to wait. You put on the glue, and then you wait, 15-20 seconds, something like that, before it's tacky. And then, once they do that, they apply the brackets. The brackets are these, or if you're getting clear ones, these ones. And sorry for flicking you off. That was not the intention. That's just a finger I used. I'm sorry. And what they do is when they apply the bracket, they use a UV light. They apply the bracket and then they cure the glue. And the way I kind of understand that is because I have fake nails and I do shellac on my nails. They have to cure the shellac with a UV light. Well, they do that with your teeth. Makes it super strong. I don't know. So they go through and they apply each bracket individually, and yeah, that's pretty much it. They cure the glue or whatever it is, and then they apply the wire. And down here is probably a better example, but we've all seen it. It snaps in to these little bracket deals and into the brackets, and then that's not it. That's not all. Then they apply or have these tiny rubber band deals to keep your wire in the brackets, and that's where you get to have teenagers often get to pick pretty colors. And damn it, next time I'm gonna too, because I don't care. I might be 38, but I'm gonna have fun with this. And so that's what keeps it on. Now, it's getting used to it the first few days. I would say it takes about a week to really get used to it, but you're fine. After that, I probably would eat soft foods, maybe a margarita afterwards. That's what you could do to celebrate, but I would not have steak or anything else. So anyway, that's about all. So you guys, hopefully that answers some questions of what to expect at the appointment where they're putting these bad boys on. Now, I'm going to go inside. I'm going to finish my coffee. I'm going to take a shower because I'm probably, well, I'm not sweaty anymore, but, you know, because it dried. I need a shower. Okay, guys. So, remember, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. All right, I'll see you guys later.